Looks like we're walking, Ty. Can't be too careful where we're going. So I brought Titus because I think one thing I've learned over the past couple years especially is that I don't do all that well when I'm alone. Although most of my life is spent being alone, editing in front of a computer, projects around the house. It's usually just me for the most part. Not always, but for the most part. And it wasn't until I actually went camping for the first time in my teardrop where I truly realized I'm not very good at being alone. But I'm trying to push to find how I can feel better when I'm alone and not be so worked up or caught up with what's going on, in the other places of my life, which is why we're here. This has been my best kept secret, and it's not even the best kept secret, it's just a secret that I've been keeping from you guys. So let me tell you a little bit more about this surprise in which we are walking on. The surprise I speak of is what we're standing on right now. This is 50 acres of beautiful rolling mountainous hills, forested. It was a select cut about 10 years ago, which means they took a select number of timber. And so you've got all these older pine trees, quite large, that are left standing. So it's a perfect chunk of land to build a cabin on, obviously. I've been holding on to this for 2 years. Life has been a roller coaster to say the least. And this property has just continued to be pushed on the back burner. Back burner no more, because I need this. I think not only will it be fun to build something physical in the middle of the woods, it's going to be a challenge. I also feel like this is going to be building blocks mentally for me to get back to some normalcy in terms of hobbies. All the projects I've typically done are basically on my home property. And when those projects are on your home turf, on your property, it's very hard to prioritize which ones you do. And I've been overwhelmed, I've been stressed, I've been anxious, and I'm not sure what this project holds and if it's gonna pan out, but I'm excited. I've been holding on to this for far too long without doing anything. To give you an idea, I've been here twice since owning it, over 2 years. It's been a really challenging year, to say the least, and it kind of the tipping point for me was when my buddy Daniel passed away, and life changed colors for me. It lost some color for sure, and I went into survival mode to kind of protect certain things, whether it was mental or family or friends. And I don't know, I'm not out of it yet, and by pursuing this new project on this chunk of land, I'm hoping to remedy that. I'm not a therapist, I'm not a psychologist, but I truly believe that doing this is going to help me out, and it's going to be really fun. So here we are. I'm going to take you up in the drone so you can see what we're working with. So this is it. This is 50 acres Some of you might remember I actually made a video of me touring this, and I ended up buying it, but just, you know, life throws you lemons. You don't always know what to do with them, and it's taken me a while to get to the point where I'm ready to start this new chapter. I truly believe that something like this can be healthy for me, can be healthy for a lot of people. Obviously, we can't all go out and buy 50 acres. I get that, but I've realized this, I think if I prioritize this, I'm going to feel better mentally. I'm going to be feeling like I am pursuing something that is sustainable, that's long lasting, something that I can keep around. And ultimately, I really enjoy making content. And this is the kind of content I want to be making. The kind where I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into. Because this is a big chunk of meat I'm biting off here. 50 acres, completely off grid. The nearest road is 25 acres that way, essentially. And it's going to be a mission to get supplies up here and to start a cabin. For those of you who have been following along and are subscribers already, thank you. You guys mean the world to me. I honestly would not be making these videos if it wasn't for people like you who enjoy them. So, digital beer raised. Cheers to another crazy adventure. We're not sure exactly what we're gonna do or how we're gonna do it, but it's gonna be awesome. And we're both going to build our minds, our spirits, as well as some cabins along the way. So be sure to like and subscribe, especially if you like this kind of content. And we'll see you on the next one. Because the next one, we break ground, baby. Mwah. Love you all. Peace.